Okay, let's play this game. Okay, I'm collecting cats. Oh, a sleepy cat. Let's go. Huh? Okay, a gaming cat. Wait. Huh? Okay, time to go. Ah. No, I can't enter there. Let's just see what else there is. I have to jump up here. Yeah. Can I get into the chimney? And if it, I'm gonna shift lock and wait. Oh, wait. There's a cloudy cat. Now, I got a cat. Let's see what else. What other cats there are. Let's see if I can get other cats by using this method. Whee! Yeah. Huh? No. Ooh, the museum. The museum. Yeah. Nope. Huh? No, there isn't one in that base. Ooh. There's this. Time to enter the mummies. Okay. Huh? Find the. Okay. I have to find a way to no clip into here. Or I just have to find the green button, but I don't know where it is. I don't know. Trying to see if there's any more here. Nope. I need to see what else there is. Oh, this obby or parkour. Yeah, jump, 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 jump. I had to make it up here. Yes. I am now going to jump here. Yo. I got this kitten. Oh, the cool kitten. Time to do this parkour place. Oh no. I'm gonna try it. Yeah. I got flung. Time to go over here. Oh, come on. Time to go here. I'm going to retry it. I did it. Now this. Now a wall jump. Now another one of these spinning things. Or a realistic cat. Or kitten. Whatever it is. I don't know. Well, I don't need to do that anymore. I'm jumping. Let me see what's over here at the. Oh wait, no, not yet. And do see what's over here. What's this code for? I don't know. Yeah, I am jumping. Can you jump? Can you enter here? To see if I can get more kittens. Yeah. No, I can't get that kitten. I'm going to jump. I'm going to do this parkour again, but I won't finish yet. Or I will probably. Wait, I can get on that tree. Yeah. On this house. Ooh, and now again, that's your. I'm getting this kitten. Yo, I got the difficulty chart kitten. I can't get it on. Yeah. Yes, I'm doing it. Yeah. Now I have to jump over here. Time to collect this shard. Yeah. For the feral kitten. Okay. Time to see what else. Over here. In the museum. Nope, I don't see anything. But except that mummy kitten. Time to go. Let's see. In a warm, cozy place. Ooh, a obby thing. And you jump. Jumping. More. Yes. Time over here, up here. Come on. I failed, but still. I can do it again. Time to do it again. Let's see if there's any numbers like the one I saw earlier. Yeah. Oh, no. Yeah. Well, I'm doing this. Time to remind you to hit subscribe. Now, let's continue. I have to jump. Yeah. Ooh, a cowboy kitten. Wait, that's short. Yes, I found. Yes, another crystal. Well, it's crystal clear. But I don't know what that's for. gone. Wait, is there a cactus kitten? Ah. Over there? No. How do I get on there? Yeah, no. Oh wait, over there. Yeah, yeah. Now, time to say something. Once I reach 1K, I'll reveal my name, but not my face. I'm a small critter, so come and help me out. Now continue. I found the quicksand kitten. Yo! Okay, time to see what else is there. Wait, over here? No. Oh wait, there's a cactus kitten. Knew it. Up here? Wait, what's this? What? A pyramid? Oh, this is the builder kitten. Yo! Nice drip. I need to get down here. But still, what's that code? Yeah, I had to jumping again. You know what? I'm doing this. I just want to say, once I reach 1 million, I'll reveal my face. Hopefully, I can do that. This is like my first video, probably. I know it is, but it's not my first video. I started on TikTok. Now, I'm continuing. I'm A from the A squad and continue. Yo, wait, did I get the badge? I'm not. Oh, it's the gold kitten. I need to jump here, down there. Okay, over here. What's this? Open. Okay, I found 2. Okay. And 3 minutes. Okay. I don't want to make you guys wait over here, but then you continue looking for kitten. Over here, what's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope. Wrong. 1, 2, 3, 5. Nope. 6, 7, 6, 7, 9. Nope. Wait, what? Oh! Okay. So what's the code? Let's see. Yeah. Can you put it probably like 9, 3, 5. What else? Okay. What else is there? It could be 6, 3, 5, 1, 8. I could probably be that. 6, 3, 5, 1, 8. Oh, out here. The fossil kitty. Yeah. Oh. Wait, I need to check for the secret walls. Nope. Okay. Come on. I have to see what else is there. What else? Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's see over here. I saw number 5. 4. Red 4. Oh, there's a code. Can you see over here? Is there anything over here? Nope. Okay, so now can you jump over? Okay, no. No. On the obby, can you jump on the obby? So is there anything? Probably not, but still. There's a lot of stuff that could be here. Nope, just a cool kitten. Okay. Time to jump down. 3. Okay, I locked around now. Over here. Oh, a blue 7. I hate 6, 7. But still, what's over here? Oh, already house. No, inside. No, the gamer kitten, but the sleeping kitten are here. Oh wait, there's also a 9. So it's 7, 4, 9. No wait, 6 or was it 9? Yeah, it was 9. Okay, then you let 7. What 4? Over here, no, there's nothing. Can you see? Like here, I checked everywhere except the ones over there, but I don't think it's over there. Okay, technically. Now let's start with 1. Okay, not yet. What else? 5? No. 7, 4, 9, 2, 5. Oh yes, and that's it. And that's the carbony kitten. Oh, carbony rainbow kitten. Okay, let's see what else. In a warm, cozy place. Like where? Likewise, I don't know. How about over here? Okay. What else? Let's see. The desert. Let's see. Is it over here? No. I don't think so. Can you see? Nope, I did not find anything. No numbers, no nothing. How about in the water? Nope. Major quicksand? I don't think it's the number 2 over here, but still. What kittens are there? Oh, come on. It reset it? Okay, let's see. Over here, wait, what? Can you see what's over here? Oh, just a stubble. Wait, what? I found a stubble for sand kitten. Can I excavate? No, no, nope. But where's sand kitten? Okay, let's see. Let's see. I don't think it's over here. Up here? No. No. Just gold kitty. Okay, time to see what else. Let's see. What do you see? Okay, the ancient hint, patient is key. No. Okay. Flip a switch. Find a shovel. Okay. How do I get here? Catalog. It's just a catastrophe. Okay, these terms are probably not that much. Okay, then you type in slash dance. Nope. L. Okay, slash E. Okay, slash E. Yeah, I'm going to follow you. You capybara. Cappy D Knight. Okay. Oh, run. This guy stinks. Okay. Let's see. What is there? No. Okay. We could have just gonna wait at this hobby. Jump, 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 jump. Okay, huh? No, you just reset. Huh? Oh, the water's different. Come on. Huh? Huh? Oh, I found another crystal for the feral kitty. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, jump, jump, jump. Well. Oh, click it. Yeah, then you click. Let's go. Let's see what else. How do I get back? Okay, I pressed spawn and now. How do I get there? Ah. Did I just see if there's any secret? Okay. Let's see. 7, 4, 2, 5. That's it, go because people are asking for the code. Tell me see if there's any secrets. No. Let's see. Yeah. Oops. How do we get evil kitty? How do we get it? Huh? I don't know, huh? Dash. Well. Okay. No, I don't know. Oh, come on and reset again. Finally. I have to wait another 4 minutes to do it. Okay. Over here. Nope, I can't emote evil. Over here, what do I do? Nothing, there's nothing to do. Over here, nope. Over here, I'm just checking for secret walls. Nope. Nope, that's just a extra. What else is there? Okay. Over here. Oh, God, I accidentally did. Oh. Okay, buried in dirt. Oh, come on. Okay. Checking for secret. Is buried in dirt. Let's see. Anything? Please tell me that there's anything. I don't know. But still, we have to check for any secret entrance. Over here, over here, over here, over here. Oh wait, right there's a 4. But still, over here. Oh wait, no, it was a 2. Over here, no, nothing. Oh, come on. No, I do not. Why does someone think I do? I don't. No. But keep a Swift. Oh. Let's see. Should I enter the thing? The water. Wait, what? Let's see. Oh, there is a water kitty. Right there it is. Yeah. Yes, I got it. Okay. Should I go back to the pyramid? Because it is in peril. How do I get to the obby part or the parkour? Like, it's very hard. Okay. Wait, I should go to the thing. To the pyramid. Oh, it's already. Let's see. Chilling in the water. Covered in paint. In a warm, cozy place. Okay? I don't want you guys to be over here just waiting till it starts. But like, should I? Okay, 60 seconds. Oh, how did she get in there? So, let's see. Oh, 20 seconds, still 30 seconds, but still a high difference. Okay, can you see? Okay. I don't want you guys to be over here waiting, but still, it's very necessary for me to be waiting. Even if you guys don't like it, still, I had to get these kitties. Okay, I can do this. I'll be dead. Over here. Also, subscribe. Time 10. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Time kitty. Did I get it? I think. Yes, I did. Okay, blinds. Where are the blinds? Okay. Now. Yeah. Oh, what? I found a paint kitty. Yes, I got it. Oh, it's colorful. Eh. Let me see what else. Okay, this is it. This is everything. Bye. See you in the next one. But still, I'm going to be looking for the cobblestone kitty. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe even though you guys might not. But still, I'm not asking you guys to literally just subscribe. I'm just asking you pretty please. With manners. So, see you later. Bye.